Hello, what from dropping? Tinasi, ahun kemle. Na wenya beje metan riding ho. Smooth, fully nyanya.
As what fraud then?
Missy, what from dropping? Menka di wediban and fambra wana.
Dropping.
Menfa u parcel unko ana menka jimbra wana.
Dropping.
Menka fa u mofrabambra wana.
Dropping.
Menka di u groceries embra wana.
Dropping.
Laundry, makwa bantam dodo. Kwana bia ewo whole Ghana. Go Play Store and App Store. Na download Droppin. DROPYN.
Dropping.
Not from within a minute. Na mo boho there.
Dropping.
Menso ya Ghana ha bebia. Ye juma ya sonko. What from is Droppin? Masa ya what town? Chale moku take Droppin.
Yeah, abusianfo. Ebechecha mo nyina. Yeah, greeting to all of you. CSF. Ebeda mo nyina ase. Amo amotumi support. Hwe adebia no, adebia wo start here. It come with challenge. But say onim dentia o yes adie now. When you have a plan, you have a target before you started the thing, you will be focused because you have a goal to achieve. That is the example, or that is the lesson I have so far learned from Avram bin Moshe. Nti the ebe can say our support for CSF no. We should not be tired of supporting CSF. Let me say, now why lesson? I was you say now new contract is right there. Aba nti Kingdom TV. What you say? Kingdom TV. Wa onyano awo TV no so obetinya follow awo social media straightforward. Awo ho na yenyina na yedin komo. What you say? Te kakra. When you know where you are going to, you will be moving with what? With a zeal. But when you are just walking, you don't know what you have to do. And a man na be basasanti mo amodi atem eye akope juma biye eye akoye we as if say nkremofo no omo ni YouTube die nkremofo bebre mo YouTube but ene na mafo say o ye YouTube o ye scammer obi kwa mo say ye criminals o ti ase obi mo kwa say ye criminals nti no ye criminal ye jet mo say ye criminal but won't mean report say e wo police station obi a wo say ye criminal. O say Avram ye criminal, Dakoba ye criminal, and we ye criminal. Na ye criminals, and wa won't me report ye die. Me dwen wana mentiase. O ti asenti, abusuya, enya matem di die ne die, enye hwe, endu bebia, ye ne bebia ye ko. Abusuya, another topic na say Satan's legacy for Muslims. Brosam religion dia bray no. Religion or that dia bray your friend brosam. Sa brosam no awo nkremosom no wajai legacy bi ho. Enne oye nkremonia also hwe sa bra brosam bo awo Quran no. You are to follow that legacy. And me babe chel enne yebasua say Oba say Satan no or your critical thinker. Me come at you. Today you will see that Satan is a critical thinker. Satan is not a believer. Now what you say? At the end of this lesson, will be happy to follow the example of Satan in the Quran. Abusham, ye din kan fawe. Obim ye din kan fawe. Ye nuanom bim omo say wa o share o screen so a ye say o yen kremoni ba anasebema don't waste your data so pa ko follow obi fofobia ana o pa ko share obi fofobia e social media nemom follow alidu ena say imu obi dien follow san crofo no nkwan Yes, say, my dear Muslims and sisters, don't waste your data watching anyone on social media than watching Uti Dawa and Imoru Alidu. They are defending Islam from the criminal Abraham bin Moshe and so-called common sense family, and we need to support them by money and sharing their videos. My dear Muslim brothers and sisters, don't waste your data watching anyone. Just apart from Uti Dawa and Imori Alidu, ye catch them kremofo say, man share obia wo social media biom. Hey, senipa no ye hwana. So so preaching for Islam, so preaching against Islam, so preaching for the Quran, so preaching against the Quran. Don't waste your data watching anybody on social media except Uti Dawa and Imo. Wait, but I don't have problem with this one. Almost say these two people, Uti Dawa and Imoru Alidu, they say they are defending Islam from the criminal Abraham bin Moshe. Just say Abraham bin Moshe. Nkremofo atina say who say bin Moshe or ye criminal. Way ya say these people almost small boys. Small boy no, not in terms of age. They are small boys. They are small boys in terms of wisdom. What you say? They are small boys in terms of wisdom. Nti we calling Avram a criminal, they ain't taking any legal action. They are small boy. The brain is low because according to one me for be criminals. Now the amendment here say so Avram or a criminal. Where don't you know where police station is in Ghana? Ghana, your police station. Just go and report. No actual statements. Say Avram we kuni passe waye say. Enu ne mama waye truthful. Nti nkramofo today you put your Quran aside and start doing propaganda. Oh, don't try to disprove things. You will end up exposing your stupidity. Do not try to disprove things. You will end up exposing your stupidity. Say, don't follow anybody on social media except Dawa and Alidu, because these two people are defending Islam. Meaning, defending Islam apart from Allah. They are disproving. They are defending Islam from Avram bin Moshe, who is a criminal. And I'm saying, we are not going to take any legal action against these boys. Yes, I call them boys. They might be older than me in age, but they are boys. What you say? Ntino, young for no sinching. Now, someone say young follow Alidu and a sank for no quam. The topic can I say Satan's legacy. Satan's legacy for the Muslims. Nti abusuyam. Tuaso. Ti mofia we kakra monkan na yentoa so why Abusiam, this is what we are coming to address today. Quran chapter 2, the verse number 30 to 33, and I say 34. Quran chapter 2 and Surah chapter 2, ayah 30 to 33. And na ba be discuss ene nti abusiam yenko asem namu why ti asemu am say picture be that screen also way is in the form of cartoon. I say, and he Allah taught Adam the names of them. Oh kind Quran, when you are reading the Quran, you say Allah obo mbua nyameni na and Allah wabo abofu ni nyina no. After Allah has created all the animals and the angels no, and Allah katre abofu no say abofu me Allah me ba bebo Adam and I say me Allah me ba bebo nipa, and abofu no katre Allah say oh Allah o ba bebo nipa at the two asase so sa nipa o ba bebo no eye boni and o ba be di awa asase so nti Allah me mbo nipa se wo Allah o wo dwuma bi wasase so and o pese ni and o pese yenyama wa and ya sumaye abofo no na yenko di sa dwuma na edem o Allah and Allah se debi me nipa na de still mebo nipa and Allah awo bobo Adam at the two garden of Eden and Allah nti yoni abibia yedu oni nti Allah obo nipa be two garden of Eden we no and our friend Adam na tina hono Allah na kasa na gino on board and Allah of friend Adam tinase and Allah or chire the name of all the animals no Allah wa born nyina so yede e de chire Adam ti story na ye pa o maybe a memo Quran quotation no nti Allah called Adam, sit him down and taught him the name of all the animals. Oti ano chena mwadume nyina omodi owia. Now Adam is equipped. Sisia al Adam onim bibiedi, but now above no they don't know that. Nti atodebi and Allah katre above one say hey above mumra and above nyina begada and Allah katre above one say above way come and mention the name of the animals. Mumbo and the animals I Allah have created no. Come and mention their names to me. And the angels were not able, including Satan. Just say Satan was part of the angels. And angels were not able to mention the name of the animals. Honor say Adam, sorry. And Allah catch Adam say, Adam, you see, the angels don't know the name of the animals. Now you, Adam, come and tell us the name of the animals. Allah catch Adam, Adam bin and one, no two, and no boy di aponchi, nentri, tilapia, udrai, ukra, and no buponya menedi, bro, Adam, or boss sanyamani nedi, and Allah, or status or tra above for other pie. And Allah or statisa or tra above for the pie and no catch the above one say kutu Adam and all the angels including Angel Gabriel, the giver of the Quran according to Islam, and no prostate Adam and Satan say onu Satan kutu onipa onu nyakupu ambo and Allah no kokwa pie. Oti nti monje this is a test. on you. Ebusia. Nti for the benefit. Moma yenkan eye Surah chapter 2 ayah 30 to 33. Nti yentie. Or say, when your Lord said to the angel, I am putting a successor on earth, they said, will you place someone there who will cause corruption on it and shed blood while we glorify you with your praise and extol your holiness? Allah answered, surely I know that which you do not know. Verse 31. He taught Adam all the names. Then he set them before the angels and said, tell me the name of this, if what you say be true. Ayah 32. They said, glory be to you. We have no knowledge except whatever you have taught us. You are the all-knowing, the all-wise. Then he said, oh, Adam, tell them their names. Then Adam had told them the names. Allah said to the angels, did I not say to you, I know the secret of the heavens and of the earth, and I know what you reveal and what you conceal. Verse 34. When we said to the angels, bow down before Adam, they all bowed except for Iblis, that is Satan. He refused and acted proudly and became an unbeliever. Wait, Satan, or you're right, and on your right. Me say, according to this story, Satan, or you're right, and I say no, on your right. Yea, no one yankupon, you taught Adam. What the apple, one ma Adam apple, na above one de, upon one for be ama above one. And now what the offer above one say, they should come and mention the name of the creations. And the angels were not able to do that. And because of that, you are saying that, haven't you told them that so they should prostrate before Adam? And Satan said no. If Muslims will start thinking the way Satan taught, if my dear Muslims will start thinking like Satan, they will be free from mental slavery. Think the way Satan thinks. Think the way Satan thinks, and you will be free. Why? Satan waja example baku kesiye bi e dia man kremofo. My question is, will they open their eyes to read it? Will they open their ear to listen to if somebody tells them? Will they open their brain to this precious teaching and repent from their evil attacks? Dear Satan, and this the only thing we are asking you guys to do. In your class, we are all in the same class. I saw you teaching Kofi Menu, and me says start the cover. You don't teach me, and you give her the same exam paper. I fail. Kofi Menu's pass, and you want to punish me unless we go to education service. And I just say a copy of education service. Court na den nyina bebem nti Satan dia waye senkremoni bi betina ye bia anka bebu na papa wo Satan kire say na dwe ye juma papa. Satan is not as foolish like the other angel who in one way or other obey Allah and prostrate before Adam just because he was able to give the name of the items. What you say? Why? This Satan waja achede kesiye bi pa nti topic na say Muslims to follow the examples of Satan and as a Satan's legacy for the Muslims. But you are free to follow. What you say? You are free to follow. No we are. No one but catch them me say. Which you follow so they are defending Islam. You these people are defending Islam. Who bet me defending Islam? Who want me go to one single surah? Who bet me actually? Who bet me defending Islam? Satan is a critical thinker. Let me come in. Satan, Abba. What you say? Obetimiaka de ope bia banokrani ye bakupe. Say, my dear Muslim brothers and sisters, don't waste your data watching anyone on social media. Who are you giving this warning to your Muslim brothers? No, you are kasa in Islam. In Islam, where is your position in Islam? The okay, chief imam on could be that. The okay, chief imam will never say this. Chief imam is a man of decency. What? Chief imam or a man of decency. What you say? They are okay. On kebi. So they should not waste their time watching anyone else on social media, except Alidu. Alidu Quran 41, Surah 41, Ayah 9 to 12. On Tiasie. On betimi. Ayen sampi. What you say? Ayen sampi. Nti ebusuya. Tia. Tia. Nti mi ohwe Quran mu mi sa part no. Ma chro ho say Allah is corrupt. Ani. Mi when nyina ntina Nkemofo, if you call me for debate today, tomorrow you go watch my videos, then you will come and say, don't look at my face and try to call me for debate. Openly, I am not afraid of you being Muslim because I know the book you are holding more than you. CSF through Telegram TV. Let me show you something. Intioni. Bye. So macho say Allah is corrupt. Allah is corrupt. Macho doesn't know Allah is corrupt because Allah yes adina corrupt people and yes adina. A teacher who give a pot to one student and leave the others there and submit all of them to the same exam question, that teacher is corrupt. What you say? Anti Satan wa ja legacy biama mo papa Allah is corrupt. What you say? Because Satan, dear Satan, ye wama mehu say Satan na dweye juma papa. If you come to the Bible, nti say Satan kokum nipa bia, nti say Satan kodi obi nkonkonsa, oko Bible no mu a, nti say Satan okoye adeboni bia, nyankopon ya, the same nyankopon ya. We are not say I kill and wound. I kill and bring back to life. I wound and heal. Okodu Isaiah 45:7. Now say I create both light and darkness, good and evil. Right? First Samuel 2:7. Now say I made verse 2. First Samuel chapter 2 verse 6 to 7. Now say I send people to the word of death and bring them back to life. I make some poor and some rich. Why do you make some people poor? While they are very hard working. We crash say in religion, so be a poor. And yes, nipa no onye juma. In religion, poverty no, and yet the sign of laziness, but it is the sign of your God. Just say, according to religion, so be the here. Sani pano, and yes, on page juma. Nebum a Allah and the bonus so no be the here. Oye kremoni, oye Jewni, oye Christoni, and I would be here. and oh press obenye sika. Know it that you are correcting Allah. Also who say oh correcting Allah, because Allah in his own wisdom create you poor. Why are you trying to become rich? What you say? Your God in his own wisdom create you poor. Why are you trying to become rich? Are you trying to mean that your God didn't create you well? If yes, that your God didn't create you well, it means you are at this time correcting the mistake your God have committed. Oh, religion. You see, religion. Me catch him say, these your books, these your books. And I'm the entertainment. These are my entertainment books. Entertainment. Books with entertainment. Nti uban Bible mu a brosam wanku nipa baku krada. Wo ye Jew ni nkremoni anase Christoni wo be kire se brosam eku nipa baku awo Bible mu anase Quran mu a fa version fa bring that surah if you are truthful. Always it is your God. Always it is the God. Always it is the God. Na ye bedu ha no say hey bro Sam what ja legacy be papa today me fragile phone nyina mon follow why mon follow nti montie book we the member be catch no Quran say oba confirm. If you see something in the Bible, you don't see it in the Quran, don't be surprised. The Quran has accepted to be the confirmation of the Bible. In Timothy, 1 Samuel chapter 2, verse 6 to 7. The Lord kills and restores to life. And yes, Satan. And yes, Satan, the Lord kills and restores to life. He sends people to the well of the dead and bring them back again. Verse 7. He makes some poor and others rich. God makes some people poor and some people rich. If you are a believer and you are poor, just accept it. So do never try to work. A Jew, Christian, Muslim, and now you're poor, and no throw application letter back in your lifetime. Know it that you are correcting the mistake your God has done in your life. A God that commits mistakes, may who be that? May who be that? What you say? Ti maza dia brosama ye wayadie brosama yadie papa. What you say? Wayadie he has done his part. The legacy is there. Now it is up to you Muslims to go and follow. Satan has shown you that don't just follow your God blindly. You also have the brain to discern between good and bad. What you say? Brosama Jirifo, what you say? You have the brain to discern between good and bad. Don't just be a believer. Don't just be a believer. Foolish born again. Who are believers, but not thinkers. Oh, you're born again. Are we a believer? So for to say, those people are foolish. See, Makachro. See. What I say? See, bro, some day, me say, no wonder, Oko America and the crocus in one. No wonder they have Church of Satan. What I say? No wonder they have Church of Satan. Because, bro, some we, chekia, who bonia, papa, we aye. Who bonia, was so ye, one cassa, what dread juma, one lawyer be obusimu, and I say, what down for be a lawyer. For a same ya a two brosam or Kuramono. Go and narrate this story to your friend who is a lawyer. So one cast away a lawyer, and one cast away a badrimba. What do you juma? Drain a same way. nature bonia brosama ye nature bonia brosama ye na wonya ala wa fra brosama tinase na wo kire no sanya mane nyina no wa fra brosama tinase no wa kire no sanya mane bese brosam wo ala you call Adam and you taught Adam the name of all the animals and the creations. Oh yeah, no one be afraid about one say. No one be afraid about one say. Above one, they should come and give you the name of the thing. Tell me what Adam no. Why didn't you call all the angels? Why didn't you teach all the angels together? Ah, so cry idea. And I'm going to say. Book we was a menjindi make up some journey. Anka Allah ofreb Adam etina say chena de we no. Anka Allah, this is the time Anka teach all the angels. Mon share story no. Story no ni. Surah chapter 2 ayah 60 Surah chapter 2 ayah 30 to 33. Montier. When your Lord said to the angels, I am putting a successor I am putting a successor on the earth, they said, will you place someone there who will cause corruption on it and shed blood while we glorify you with your praise and extol your holiness? Allah answered, surely I know that which you do not know. He taught Adam Ahanatil. Quran 2:31, Surah chapter 2 ayah 31 Ahanatil 31. He taught Adam all the names, then set them before the angels and said, tell me the name of this. Well, look, you taught Adam, you didn't teach the angels. Now you put the things before the angels to give you the name. How do you expect them to tell you? How do you expect them to tell you? What you say? How can they tell you? Abusian, how? How possible? Abusian for and then Otie only at Dakoba, said Dakoba, and then kind of Otie and then our Chronicles of Abraham Moshe. What you say? Your YouTube channel no, a dinner or no, a Truth Telling Time TV. Truth Telling Time TV. And the word screen no. Na say nti wo share na wa subscribe kama na subscribe kama na ye movie ye Facebook page but esan say because of messages like this esan say ye ba live ye mbe show ye naked pictures and ye naked pictures na be show nti no zongo bed wa limit your views what you say nti there are some messages we don't do it online ye na offline na ya upload to YouTube. Be what you streaming live on YouTube. What you say? When a man who here say over subscribe to Truth Telling Time TV. Truth Telling Time TV. Our YouTube. Now also we start say follow na. Afi tama you best streaming live. E dey call and now say you upload lesson be to YouTuber. Now also bet me ande anya bi na also wanya na ho mfaso. What you say? Sana dianete YouTube de senkremoni kasatia ende anu de nkremofo even omo dawal sankrofo bebremogu YouTube no o ye nkremoni anase gidini ena o kasatia vlogina ende yo ena o problems no menimo na akwa se gongomi men di atem ba wala ma me fa no sa atem didi de enye let them insult us na afi yenko yenim tie busuya sana dia no kwakoye oti ase ti ala dia wa ye de bro sama ye fast also no you no go fit day with this man you no go fit day with this man ti mo hwe ade we dunia ya Allah
يا الله دمارك وعملياتي فايبر يا الله يا الله دعوت كبراجه وننزل من القرآن ما والشفاء ورحمة للمؤمنين ولا يزيد الظالمين إلا خسارا بإذن إخوائي أي دمار كجيلاي بكيوا لا هرجي شيء بإذن إخوائي بإذن ما يعلمي نيا كبابي لا
ya anti ya abusuafo anti ana ye kanu no ti dia brusama de jan kremofo no anu na yesua ene what you say a good legacy Satan or the jamu a good legacy what you say anti munna mun follow in the step of Satan and be wise what you say follow in the step of Satan and be wise one kasa we nkremoni a wo lesson we mu you are now there chatting and odi matemono se wan kasa wa won kremoni a wo komakalanta wa wan kasa wo musisi a odi matemono wo komakalanta ena wo hu se o teacher no imam no wa kire isifu question number 2 ena wo wan kire obi wa kire alasan question number 4 wo dia wan kire obi ena mocho exam na we san crofo we mu o nya 100% ena wo nya 50% you will say wallahi this teacher I go kill him sana obaka the obaka say wallahi talai this teacher I go finish him ena obaka what you say ti let the brain work adwena nya juma body na bre what you say nti ye besi ha dia ye kan say brusam waja nkremofo no a legacy to follow brusam a kire say or ye critical thinker or ye CSF member or ye true telling town follower brusam a kire say his brain is at work brusam a kire say na dweno aye juma nti on prostate edema adama nyankopon ama na po brusam say sa juma na de lalai anya de obeye sa de nti ebusuan yen kasanche ya yen kasanche yerebesi ha why yerebesi ha ti ida wunyina se motimi follow from the very beginning everything now don't forget Kingdom TV CSF ya ye be from the beginning ye fe tama Moshe oko daily TV no ya ye de bi ye fe you see there or share ejuma pass no on fa kosa e de ko wie what you say ti according to Moshe o ma sign bibia ti program no Monday to Thursday 1 to 2 p.m. what you say 1 hour ti eduwa ye nyina ye fa ye support na de enfantanechi na wo subscribe to Common Sense Family so our YouTube and CSF Yahuda no wo subscribe kama na bia ye fine na me amekasa sisi se o pese odi mechi awo other platforms so on Facebook a Truth Telling Time our YouTube a Truth Telling Time TV what you say Truth Telling Time TV on YouTube and Truth Telling Time on Facebook e beda mo nyina se what you say beda mo nyina se motimi nyambre a follow me from the very beginning till now me say ye can Bible asem and nkremofo omoni age and almost sending more fire I don't listen to them because I know when I start talking about the Quran the Christian and the Jew too will be happy and be tapping more fire nti da o kasa about Bible no na nkremofo omoni age da o kasa about the Quran na Jew for na Christopher so no omoni age anti media sa level no yatra what you say tiebu se madamo nyina se mrepem ye be say din komo Truth Telling Time brain at work